Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Pulse. And today, we have a very important topic to discuss. Loneliness and depression are challenges many of us face, and today, we'll explore 11 Stoic remedies to help you navigate through those tough times. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our valuable content. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, provides us with timeless wisdom on how to approach life's challenges. The first step in overcoming loneliness or depression is understanding the core principles of Stoicism. Let's briefly delve into that before we move on to the remedies. Number 2. Journaling. The first Stoic remedy is journaling. Take some time each day to reflect on your thoughts and emotions. By putting your feelings on paper, you gain clarity on your inner world and can identify patterns that contribute to loneliness or depression. Number 3. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is crucial in Stoicism. Practice being present in the moment. Engage in activities with full attention, whether it's enjoying a cup of tea or taking a walk. Mindfulness helps shift your focus from negative thoughts to the beauty of the present. Number 4. Community engagement. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of social connections. Engage with your community, whether it's joining a club, volunteering, or attending social events. Building meaningful connections with others can alleviate feelings of loneliness. Number 5. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a powerful Stoic practice. Cultivate gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Create a daily gratitude list, acknowledging the things you're thankful for. This simple practice can shift your perspective and boost your mood. Number 6. Setting realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is another Stoic remedy. Understand that life has its ups and downs. By managing your expectations, you can avoid unnecessary disappointments that may contribute to feelings of loneliness or depression. Number 7. Finding meaning in challenges. Stoicism teaches us to find meaning in challenges. Instead of viewing difficulties as obstacles, see them as opportunities for personal growth. This mindset shift can empower you to overcome loneliness and depression. Number 8. Practicing self-compassion. Self-compassion is essential in Stoicism. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Recognize that everyone faces struggles, and it's okay to seek help when needed. Being kind to yourself is a crucial step towards overcoming loneliness or depression. Number 9. Embracing solitude. Stoics value solitude as a time for self-reflection and growth. Embrace moments of solitude to connect with your inner self. It's an opportunity to recharge and gain clarity on your values and goals. Number 10. Visualizing Stoic role models. Visualizing Stoic role models is a powerful technique. Identify historical or fictional figures who exemplify Stoic principles. Drawing inspiration from their stories can motivate and guide you through challenging times. Number 11. Practicing resilience. Resilience is a core Stoic virtue. Develop the ability to bounce back from setbacks. View challenges as opportunities to build resilience, knowing that you have the strength to overcome adversity. And there you have it, 11 Stoic remedies for feeling lonely or depressed. Remember, implementing these practices takes time and consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more content on personal development. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, stay stoic and stay strong. Take care.